For test, go to engine, measure blocks, group 6. And here is press brake pedal, release brake pedal. This switch have problem, BCM have problem. Engine ECU is okay, while to engine ECU is okay, but problem is here. Normal value, release brake pedal 0 0. Press brake pedal 1 1. Release brake pedal 0 0. Now pedal is release. Press, release. And here is for clutch pedal. Press clutch pedal, release clutch pedal. Clutch pedal is okay. If you have problem with brake switch, stop cruise control. Cruise control have problem with bad brake switch or bad clutch switch. Alright.